Okay, kiddos, we are getting in here today so that I can show you how to answer a discussion question. So I am going to get into a Google Classroom that looks like yours. And I am going to go to my classwork, and I see that my teacher has posted a question for me to answer. So I'm going to click on that question and say view question. Once I do that, over here I can answer the question. So I am not going to give you the answer to this question, so I'm just going to type a sentence. Remember, this is not the answer to that question because I want you to answer it on your own. And I'm going to turn it in. Now, once I turn it in, if my friends have answered the question, I can see what they wrote. And if I wanted to let them know that I like their answer in a nice way, and I could always tell them why by using my because. Or if I think that their answer is wrong and I can tell them in a nice way, I could say, I disagree because, and tell them nicely why they might want to change their answer. Or I can say, I agree because, and nicely tell them about their answer. And I can post that, and they will be able to see it, and your teacher will be able to see it too. So make sure that you're being very kind to your classmates whenever you're doing that. You can also go back and edit your answer. So if your friend asks you to change something about your answer or thinks that you might want to change your answer, you can edit it right here and turn it back in so that you could show them that you took their advice. So, and then you could check in every day and see if more people have answered and nicely reply to them and show them that you're supporting them while we are all in very different places. So I can't wait to get started with your discussion questions.